Let's look at Rule 14, which is a head-on situation. Rule 14, head-on situation. Unless otherwise agreed, when two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision, each shall alter her course to starboard so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other ahead or nearly ahead, and by night she could see the masthead lights of the other in a line or nearly in a line, or both side lights, and by day she observes the corresponding aspect of the other vessel. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, she shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. Notwithstanding paragraph A of this rule, a power-driven vessel operating on Great Lakes, Western Rivers, or waters specified by the Secretary and proceeding downbound with the following current shall have right of way over an upbound vessel, shall propose the manner of passage, and shall initiate the maneuvering signals prescribed by Rule 34A1 as appropriate. So it says, you have a head-on situation. Both vessels should alter course to starboard so that each shall pass on the port side of the other.
Okay.
If you're in a narrow channel, okay, so if you're in a narrow channel that has a current and you are the downbound vessel and there's an upbound vessel coming, the downbound vessels, it's their responsibility to propose the maneuver. Say she sounds one short. Okay, alter course to starboard. Inland waters, you sound one short too. All right, here I go. I'm altering course to port 2.
Mm-hmm.
But if this wasn't safe, sound the danger signal.
Now, the rule states only power driven. Does that apply to sail?
It's all with the wind sailing.
Okay.
Are you on starboard? Are you on port? Are you windward? Are you leeward? Are you on port and see a vessel to windward and can't determine with certainty?
Okay.
One more thing we need to look at here about an assumption that's made. We assume that it is a head-on situation if we don't know. So here's a vessel. Here's a vessel. All right, is this a crossing or is this a head-on? It's a head-on. If there's any doubt, we assume it's a head-on situation and act accordingly. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And it's described as you see both masthead lights in a line or nearly in a line, or both side lights, right? If you see both side lights, she's coming right at you.
Right.
If you see both masthead lights in a line or nearly in a line, she's probably coming at you. Or by day, you see the corresponding aspect of the other vessel. You're here, right? You look across your bow and you see their bow.
Yeah.
Good.